What's the meaning of bearded? Bearded. Bearded.
Bearded. Bearded. The word bearded typically refers to the presence of facial hair on a man's chin, jawline, and cheeks. This hair growth is a natural occurrence in males and can vary in thickness, length, and style. A man with a full, thick beard may be referred to as bearded, while a man with a light or patchy growth may not. The decision to grow a beard is often a personal choice and can be influenced by cultural, religious, or aesthetic factors. In some societies, a beard may symbolize masculinity, wisdom, or prestige. Additionally, some men may choose to grow a beard for practical reasons, such as protection from the sun or cold weather.